And we have more news coming into this point in time. This has got to do with developments in Tamil Nadu. Stalin versus Education Mantri face off over the new education policy. Stalin claiming blackmail by the Education Mantri, says Mantri threatened to stop funds for Tamil Nadu. Education Mantri from the union says this is a politically motivated move by the DMK. Must accept the new education policy, says Dharmendra Pradhan in letter in spirit.
Of 40 lakh students depends on this amount. And all of the sudden they are telling, they are framing a reason like you have to include yourself, you have to sign the MOU like you are joining the PM Shri. This is the very first time in 2023 while we are in the urge of receiving the final installment. At the time they are telling better you sign this MOU for the PM Shri, then only we will release. So this is kind of a blackmail.
Pramod Madhav getting in more details. Pramod, the new education policy has become a state versus union government conflict again, given that many states like Tamil Nadu are not agreeing or not on the same page with the centre when it comes to certain provisions from the NEP.
It absolutely is, Neha. In fact, the new education policy and the three-language policy seems to be a very big issue, and many leaders of the DMK have actually spoken against it. What happened is that the Chief Minister has condemned Dharmendra Pradhan's statement already, and also the Deputy Chief Minister Udinidhi Stalin also very clearly stated that Tamil Nadu will not accept the three education policy. Neither the NEP and also the DMK leaders have various ways have stated. In fact, Kanimozhi went ahead and she also put a caricature where it actually showed the former DMK patriarch Karunanidhi actually striking off Hindi words and writing Tamil Nadu in it. It was one of the biggest kind of protests that were held every day, and that is Udinidhi Stalin, the Deputy Chief Minister, who also in a big tweet stated that the Tamil Nadu will not accept any kind of issues on the matter, and they have condemned what the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has said so far, Sneha.
And I'm going to thank you for the moment, Pramod Madhav, getting us those details as far as the latest controversy concerning the new education policy is concerned. Listening to what the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has had to say.
Because they are not coming to the terms, they are coming at one point they are coming to the agreement, they will accept the NEP. With some political compulsion and motivation, they are backing out. It is their fault. Not only PM Shri school, there are a lot of things. They are at one point of time, they are agreeing to accept the Government of India's conditions, and at one point of time, they are also backing out. They are politically motivated, they are not for the welfare of Tamil Nadu. They have to accept the national education policy in letter spirit. Yes, it's new education policy. All part of countries accepting that. Why they will not accept? Because they have a political motive.